Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life's so rough yet we carry on under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, fire in the sky. Just bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound under the sunset in a Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Trench Town sound. Me see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write a history. From the ghetto come the crown. We're kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset of Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Umoja, unity forever. Trench Town people rise together. From Kingston to Accra call. One love conquer all. Drum beat talk, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, fire in the heart. Roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold. Story of the people, strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, your light shine on Trench Town. We again by the sandy street. Heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever.
survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on me ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go. Tears turn to freedom, no more fear. Shall whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand. One blood, one love across the land. Though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love carry me through the fight till darkness fade out of sight.
Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beating on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa, call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild. They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still up on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop your people rising. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Drum and bass keep rolling round and round. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, shall I never lost, it's always found. Roots man vibration, rise up and stand. Hold your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. We chant this roots man vibration. You see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your roots, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as Zion breeze. Freedom grow like fruit on the trees. Them say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, me brothers and me sisters. The root at the start, not the end. Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jamdoland, one jaw, one heart, one stand. Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Jah, Jah, we still hold on. Roots man leave, never gone.
Roots man vibration, shake up the wall. Freedom vibes, echo for all. No more chain, no more fear. We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration, light up the sky. Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong.
Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Roots man still drum. Roots man vibration, just still turn.
People cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try to bind, Jah light will take control. Children barefoot in the streets, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayer in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not about to fear or pain, 'cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together, hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion heart, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through this storm. Together we rise, together we born. We got with us, we stand firm, feel right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Lucky Dube cry out, prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call your name. Even if the system try to blind with sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother, sister quarreling there. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound, from Kingston streets to Cape Town ground. Burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn but we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah time it never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. We remember, from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender, never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love, we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar, we not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun till the battle day is won. One world, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. That's we rise up, rise up. Jah light guide us home. Rise up. While as we run my love, rise up, my love, one. We are never alone. Mama Africa twese, we coming home. From Jamaica to Ghana, from Haiti to Congo. Yeah. Once we were kings with golden crowns, then they broke us, tore us down. But roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase your master plan. Drums of freedom call our name through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again. Oh. Through the fire, through the pain.
No change.
Can't stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore,
We are
one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy bag. For Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant, Hakuna Hofu.
no more fear.
Hear the elder whisper,
Jah is here.
from diaspora, tears we climb, turning sorrow into Uhuru.
Freedom.
Mama land, we coming home.
I'm on love.
Away to,
Jah guide us here.
we never alone.
Never alone.
Africa, we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain.
No change.
Can't stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore,
We are
one forevermore.
Africa, Africa.
Rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein.
Africa, we rise again. One arm, one drum, one chain, one destiny.
Jah bless Africa. Jah bless humanity.
Africa, we rise again. One heart, one drum, one chain, one destiny. Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity.
Rastafari. The darkness me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul when never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. No Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain my soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion. Yeah, the light of Jah upon the lion. Yeah, righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, sunshine over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On the one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. Under golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On the one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one name. One love, one name.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore, I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, and nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to dim. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace.
One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, no. Oh, no. Mama said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drumbeat of the earth, find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom,
let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within.
Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Our roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, roots and freedom, Jah knows. Roots and freedom, roots and freedom, Jah light will lead us home. Ooh. Oh, right. Yeah. Alright. When the world feels dark and heavy and the road is full of stone, just lift your eyes to the morning sky, you'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn. Run to the light. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what mama said with grace, child, you're blessed by the ancient of days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishikem Kono, lead me through the fire. Man, lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn. Run to the light. Mama Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Jah light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man love, Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit laugh, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the rain.
every dreadlock man, every Rasta child. Carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? No green, no food inside. But we sing a man like Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit left, it will never decay.
Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit. But I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song strength in your hand. They try to break you, try to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. They can steal gold, they can steal the crown, but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana's shore, your blood remembers what you're fighting for. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawl. Walk tall, African child. African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston Street to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Oh, no matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, your sun still rise in the morning. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them still with gold, them still with name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, "Jah live, we never die." Even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Pause. Who will fight for the youth, them soul? We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Children cry, but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we holy fire in our hand. Hey, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trench Town Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Oh yes, we answer the call. Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey. Rise up my people. Oh yeah, Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro, no fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we forever strong. Oh. Freedom shall come. One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari. Yeah. Even after the darkest night, oh, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Oh, sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future
future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again, wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world don't care, but hear me now, a seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break, friend. From Kingston town to Berlin Lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, shine bright tonight.
Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, na, na, na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, we wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In a this struggle me find me peace. In a this storm me find release. Though the world so cold, my soul still warm, 'cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Yeah, na na. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Na, 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 na. Jah light forevermore. Me heart and soul restore.
Too much of your life is we trod.
Guided by the hand of Jah God. Rise up now, what children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah, shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore. Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me I, when I know, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Giant. Ay, 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 ay. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. They teach us life from the day we born. Say keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun, no touch calm me out with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Roots of love, pure and true. Every beat my heart belongs to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me, two souls entwined. In a light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word made my spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. God bless our love from the start. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love.
So strong, you carry it through.
God bless this bond, God bless this way.
Roots of love forever stay.
Me no fear tomorrow when you're day here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love to prove.
Roots of love,
deep like a tree, stand firm to eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Roots of love bloom again and again. In sunshine, in joy, in rain. Jah guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love. Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love. Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, the whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. And in your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving at the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, but never know love so kind. Loving at the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart said, darling, I love you so.
Palm trees
hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, me want the whole world to know. Loving at the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day.
If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. With love as a river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh,
shine for you and me tonight.
love so right, love so bright.
Tried with the heart full of fire. No change for my spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling my name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jaja bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. March strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. Whoa, like stars in a night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing to hunger around. Africa my blood, Jamaica my song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready for grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Your light shining through the storm tonight. One love, make the people unite. Can't hold on a free soul life. Africa, calling back we to the roots, so right. Rise up in the morning sun. Juma beats and the freedom come. From Trenchtown straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we on. Rise up, hold the fire high. No more tears in our mama eye. Storm may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. To rise, never die. Rise up. Jah lights a guide we step. Oh, no fear, no fret. Till the last sunset. Rise up. Sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash me sorrow, you ease me pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. I find my peace in your tender
is a sweet melody of Jah love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of Jah love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we heart. Me remember when my life feel dry, you bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain. It heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In all your arms, me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to Jah's sweet song. Through the struggle, me not complain, 'cause love like ours never go in vain. Sweet melody of Jah love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heart beat one again. Sweet melody of Jah love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah love in our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah. When darkness come, we still hold tight, 'cause love is strong. Jah make it one heart, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. Sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on, 'cause this love will never done. Sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. In every breath, in every sea, of Jah love, forever flow from above. Yeah, a battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love we change the life. Me see her tears, me wipe them away, till our baby will rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, my soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, burn through the night. Love is our weapon, true song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom and in land. Love go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above, forever rebel of love. Rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above, forever rebel of love. Ooh, oh, Ubuntu brother love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry on. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice, rebel of love. We make the choice, no more fear, no more pain. Love reign again, rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the mire, from trench town to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die, rebel of love, rise so strong, beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Ooh, wow. Wow, yeah, yeah. Me and you, hand in hand, love rebuild, broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up, cause Jah pour the blessing in our cup, in our songs. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight.
cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand, Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. They see kings with crown, but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide and build border, but love no all. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Hey mama Africa, we feel your heartbeat. Yeah, our brothers rise and fight. Stand firm for truth and right. Change broken spirit high. No more tears, no more cry. Jah light, guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no change again. Let the fire of freedom rain. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gains. Stand tall, no change again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no change again. Stand tall, my friend, till the very end. Oh, Jah love we defend. Oh, no change again. Ah, da, 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 no change again. No change again. No change again. Change again. No change again.
Choo choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put chains round our hands, chains round our mind. Teach we if we follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From trench town plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come, fill light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk, but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beating at them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain